Hello, welcome to technology platform. So today we are going to see filter functions, so how to use it. Earlier we have seen like map, lambda. Now we are going to see filter. Let me open idle. Now let's see this. So this is something I already written some code. Let me explain to you. So normally if you want to find some even number, so what we are writing a code here is like this. First we are declaring a values numbers equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6. In this I want to find it which is even number. 2 4 6 is the even number. So def function name and then arguments, this numbers I'm just passing here, and then even number equal to empty, because this one I have to print it 246 here. By using this variable I have to print it. So first initializing the empty array. Now see this, for I in numbers, this one I am passing it. If I divided by 2 and we are getting 0 value, here I am just applying the filtering condition. Then this even number dot adding the value and return even number. This one I have to return it. So now let's see this. I have to declare this one numbers. mm, you no need to declare as well. So let's see this. First diff, just create this function. Now let's see this. Now the function is created. So what we return, function name numbers, even number is empty array, and then I'm just looping whatever I'm going to provide it, that should be loop, and then that number is divided by 2, and if it is 0, then that number should be added in the list, and then it should return the even number. This is what. Now I have to print like this. uh, so instead of that I will say like 7 8 9 10 like this. Now I'm just going to call this function. I'll simply call like this. Now let's see this, 2 4 6 8 10 it is providing here. So and also I will tell you like this append, right? Why we return append. So if you are not using this append, instead of that you can simply say like even number something like this, um, equal to I something, then it will return the last value only, it won't update. So because of that we are adding this append. You got it right? Otherwise 10 only it should return. So if you are not providing this append value, it should return the last value 10. But we need to get it in each loop, we need to add one by one. So because of that we are giving like this. Now this is very tough code, right? It is taking some time to write. So for that we are going to use filter method to achieve this in a single line. So this is what I written here. See this, even number, this is a name, and then filter. So the syntax is like filter function name comma iterable. So iterate, it should be iterate. Now the function name is like I don't want to use any function, so I return here like this is the function name, and then this numbers I'm going to pass it here. Now let's see this. This is one I want to copy, or else I'll write it here itself. See this, print, I'll say like find even number filter. This is the variable I used. Now filter function name comma and then variables like this numbers I want to give it here. I given that variable. The function name I need to write, right? Instead of this kind of big one, using lambda I'm achieving this. See lambda you already seen, like here lambda, the variable declaration we have to use it. For that I used numbers. So the numbers is the variable. I used numbers, then colon, then I have to use it like numbers divided by 2 is equal to 0. That's it, nothing. Now let's see this. Now you have to call this filter. Okay, call this filter. Now let's see this. Oh, so you have to use it like list, something like that. So this is, I already told you, like if you are using map, something like that, you cannot directly call. By using list, you have to call it like this. See this, you are achieving 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. By using this single line, you are able to achieve this kind of filter. And why we need to use this kind of functions? We can use it simply, and this is the function name, and directly we are achieving by using this filter function. See you in the next class. Bye.